Alright, back at Kelso Road, time to get back on trail. Stomach's feeling a lot better, doing good, just getting hydrated before start. It's already warming up and it's 8:45 in the morning. It's supposed to be, I think, 96 in Lake Isabella today, so it'll be a couple of degrees cooler up here, but not much. Cows in the desert, and they are smart. They are in the shade. Look at this sunset tonight. This is absolutely incredible. We are at, what is this, Robin Bird Pass or something? Birds, yeah, something bird. I'll look at it up and edit it in, but absolutely gorgeous. Did a little under 16 today. And calling it a day here. And tomorrow I'm going to get up early and we'll be at Walker Pass tomorrow afternoon or tomorrow night. Hey, so we haven't done one of these in a while, have we? Today kicked my ass. Mile 630.8. It's crazy. 71 miles. And the desert's done. And it's saving the worst for last, that's for sure. It's so hot today. It's in the 90s. So I went through just under 5 liters of water for 15 miles. And I'm not dehydrated. I didn't get dehydrated. I made sure I kept drinking, but I'm beat. So I'm getting ready to go to bed. Hopefully sleep good. Tomorrow we're shooting to do, I think it's just under 20 or just over 19 something to Walker Pass and do that. And God, I'm gonna be in Kennedy Meadows this weekend. Can you believe this shit? Finally. But at the same time, it's like, wow, it's time for the Sierra. That's sketching me out. I mean, I'm excited, but I'm nervous. I don't know what it's gonna be like. But I'm still gonna try.